See, you had asked a question on eluent power. eluent power, right? अब देखो समझो बात को कि जब हम eluent power की बात कर रहे हैं तो when I'm saying eluent power, eluent power is the ability of a mobile phase to do separation. और ये पूरा जो गेम है मोबाइल फेस का टू डू सेपरेशन इज ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ पोलैरिटी बोलो या यू कैन कॉल इट ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ डाइइलेक्ट्रिक मोमेंट. जैसे हमने पोलैरिटी को डिफाइन किया ना, जहाँ पर देर इज मूवमेंट ऑफ चार्जेस देर इज पोलैरिटी. लाइक फॉर एग्जाम्पल, से फॉर एग्जाम्पल इमेजिन दैट योर स्टेशनरी फेज इज say for example your stationary phase is non-polar, vice versa. Say for example your stationary phase is polar, for example, right? Then the eluent power, the power of separation of a non-polar solvent will be very very high. You know, like for example, you will use the solvent, like for example you have a drug and you want to separate, so you will either go in the increasing order of polarity or you will go in the decreasing order of polarity. It is just order of polarity, that is your elution power. It depends on the nature of the drug, it depends on the nature of the stationary phase, that what mobile phase or eluting system you should use. It is by example, if it's a drug is highly polar, and suppose I do it, I put it in a highly polar solvent, correct? If I do that, then it will come out instantly fast. Whereas suppose it's a highly polar drug and I put it in a non-polar solvent, completely non-polar, then it will remain in the column for a longer period of time. So this is what is called as a elution power. And see, for example, this is a chart that I have given to you on the basis of the dielectric constants, like ether, not ether, okay, this is very important to understand, not ether, petroleum ether is most non-polar. Then cyclohexane, we understand it is non-polar because no polar bonds. All bonds of cyclohexane are all, you know, they are all non-polar. No polarity, because carbon hydrogen have same electronegativities. Carbon tetrachloride, there is polarity in the bonds, but because the molecule is highly symmetrical, the entire molecule is non-polar. Please do watch my video on polarity here. You can guess any, for example, if I say alcohol, CH3OH, we know it is polar. This is O negative, this is O positive, H positive, right? Suppose I talk about water, we all know it is a highly polar solvent. Do we understand, all of us? Yes? Is it clear? So this is the order of, you should know that petroleum ether is most non-polar, whereas your simple ether, which you call as ROR, is coming below benzene. Benzene is more non-polar than ether. Do you understand? Ether is also non-polar, benzene is also non-polar, but more non-polar is benzene as compared to ether. More hydrocarbon chain, bigger skeleton, complete symmetry in the structure, right? Ether में तो भी chance है थोड़ा dissymmetry होने का, but benzene symmetrical in the structure. Am I clear, all of you? Yes. See, have a look at this one more chart. See, this is here they have put benzene, then ethyl ether नीचे, pentane straight chain non-polar, cyclohexane non-polar, tetrachloride non-polar, toluene, benzene non-polar, ether non-polar. Chloroform से small bit of polarity starts, right? Furan small bit, acetone भी non-polar ही, methyl acetate थोड़ा polar, acetonitrile polar, propanol, ethanol, methanol, acid highly polar. Understandable? Yes. Now come to your question. See, indicate the correct order of increasing eluent power of benzene, ether, chloroform and ethyl acetate. ना उन्होंने ड्रग मेंशन की है, ना उन्होंने स्टेशनरी फेस कैसा है वो मेंशन किया है, लेकिन करेक्ट ऑर्डर तो एक ही होगा, या इंक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर ऑफ पोलैरिटी या डिक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर ऑफ पोलैरिटी. देखो क्लोरोफॉर्म, बेंजीन, इथिल एसीटेट, ईथर, सब गड़बड़ गड़बड़ गड़बड़, नॉट द करेक्ट सीक्वेंस. देखो बेंजीन नॉन पोलर, ईथर थोड़ा कम पोलर, क्लोरोफॉर्म और कम, इथिल एसीटेट पोलर, परफेक्ट सीक्वेंस. दूसरा ऑप्शन ऐसा भी दे सकता था, इथिल एसीटेट, क्लोरोफॉर्म, ईथर, बेंजीन, वो भी करेक्ट हुआ होता. वो इल्यूएट करेगा द पोलर ड्रग्स को, ये इल्यूएट करेगा नॉन पोलर ड्रग को. इज इट क्लियर ऑल ऑफ यू? यस, doubt is resolved? Clear? All right. So now